Look, I don't gotta do a motherfucking thing. My mechanics take care of me.
I do the dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
What? These wheels and deals. We back at it again with another lit video. We got money making ant right here. We're on our way to go pick up the Cobalt SS, y'all. Let's see how good of a job they did. They're supposed to be quieting it down, did all the welding yesterday. If y'all watched yesterday's video, y'all already seen the headlights in there, the front bumper on there already painted, ready to go. But yeah, y'all, I'm smashed in the Impala SS, baby. Y'all see it, man. Hey, this car drives fucking good, y'all. Supercharged up, 3800. But anyways, we're gonna pull up over here to the mechanic shops. And if y'all missed yesterday's video, man, they done fixed money making ants Impala SS. We just found something that we need done though. They taped this up. We actually need this painted because on the Impala SS they're painted, which y'all can tell right here. The molding is painted. And on the front it's painted all black. So on the SS they're painted, on the LS and the LTs they're not painted. That's that avalanche plastic right there, man. We can't have this right there. So we need that painted, and that's about it, man. He trying to probably put some iron rods on this thing. What y'all think, man? I think it'll set this baby off if he did that. But the exhaust sound amazing on this car. They did a lot of good work. I'm gonna wait till he's done clearing all the codes for me, checking all the codes out that's on the dash. Then I'm gonna pull it out and then do a little walk around for y'all. I'm gonna get this baby cleaned up today and get it out there. Oh, and by the way, I sold the Toyota Corolla this morning. So, you know, I didn't make no money. I just basically made a refund. But we're gonna keep this shit lit, man. It's all part of the game. So guys, let's start him up. So much better. Oh, man. Change the oil soon. Damn, everything, all of that damn, like, it's lit up like a Christmas tree up in this thing. But yeah, let's pull up over here, man. If y'all want a good mechanic, man, y'all come up over here. And you know, we on May. You know, it's at 21st Street Southwest. Man, they bomb, man. They get shit done. You need something done, they get shit done. I can pull up over here. How about I'll show y'all what it look like. To remind y'all what this car looked like, it didn't have no headlights, no front bumper. Front bumper was toe up. Now this thing looking way better. Than take this tape off. They just got, I don't know, was the fender messed up or not? I can't remember. Well, all I did is tell them to fix everything, and that's what they did. Bark at me. Hey, don't bark at me. Don't get me mixed up, man. They barking at them on them bikes. Don't bark at daddy now. But anyways, guys, y'all see it, man. I'm about to get ready to get up out of here, clean this car up, because I gotta make some money, man. These bills ain't gonna pay on their own. I ain't trying to get rich, y'all. I'm just trying to make a living. So let's have some fun, shall we? Let's take this thing on the highway. Let's see what it do. Now this is how it's supposed to run. And sound. It sounds pretty good too. It ain't super loud or nothing. Yeah, this is gonna make somebody a good car. But yeah, first of all, man, let's clean this up, man. It's not super dirty. I'm gonna vacuum it out, wipe it down some, and then we're gonna go to the car wash and spray it up. Let me let y'all see how it drives on the highway. Let's get it. See what this thing do on the highway. And I know about these 2.4s. They like this shit a little hard because it's that like tune they got on this car. Shit's just like Melly's SS. Oh man, this shit stink up over here, man. Someone got some cows by the stockyard, or I see a truck over here, a fucking big ass 18-wheeler with all types of cows and shit up on it. Yeah, the supercharger way faster, of course, but don't try to downplay this 2.4 though. They get with it. They get with it, man. Then you get the look, and it's way more cheaper than a supercharger. Make sure you guys follow me, Lucky Wheels and Deals on IG, Instagram. Y'all want to know what kind of prices I'm about to sell my cars for y'all can see how much I'm about to be selling this car for. Y'all don't want to miss out. It's a good car. I'm gonna sell it for a good price. Driving good, y'all. Make sure I don't see the laws nowhere around here. I can get up on it. Man. Too many people. That's one Chrysler right there with some 22s got busted rims. I mean, busted ass tire. Man, Oklahoma is not the place for rims. Well, skinny, low profile tires. You can put big rims as long as you get some damn tread. Enough tire up on that thing, you know, man. This thing getting it, y'all. Let me roll it down the window for y'all to get the real sound of this thing. Yeah. Shit mobbing, y'all. Look, no hands. Let me stop fucking around, y'all. But yeah, guys, we're on to the next. I'm about to clean this, wipe this car down, and then we're gonna take it to the car wash and get it all cleaned up. I've been driving this, y'all. I've been love driving it. Everybody trying to race me. Everyone trying to race me just because of the sound. I had Mustangs pull up on the side of me thinking I'm a supercharged SS, and they've been trying to race me, but shit, I'm just cruising along. I'm just mobbing. I love these little Cobalts, man. I think I like them even better than the Cavaliers. Little Cobalts are so much fun. I'm telling you guys, man, if y'all don't know how to drive stick shift, the automatic is a 2.4 automatic Cobalt. The supercharged Cobalt is non-supercharged 2.4. Now they got the supercharged one, which is a 2.0 supercharged, and that thing, get it, man. They only come in standard stick shift, so if you can't drive stick shift, so you out of luck. I'm trying to get up on it, man, because these goddamn, you see what I'm saying? This goddamn motorcycle want to race me and shit, y'all. Let's see, I should race him one time. I swear this Cobalt ain't fast like that. You on a goddamn motorcycle, driving like a goddamn fool. Mobbing. Let's get it, y'all. Let me get up off of it. Look around, we good. Hit it. Gotta see that damn motorcycle driving on the side of me, y'all. Oh, I tell you, everyone been racing me all fucking day while I've been driving this car, trying to get it ready, y'all. Y'all see it, the motorcycle is gonna be right there on my left. Like, man, that shit funny, y'all. Y'all see him over there, man. Everybody's trying to race me. That shit crazy. But yeah, we're gonna pull up into this car wash real quick in a minute, y'all. I bought me some steering wheel covers, but they don't fit for this little ass steering wheel that comes on these Cobalts. So I could get it on there, but the regular one feels better. So I'm gonna just go ahead and see. Damn, I missed one. Damn, let me hop in this first one. Let me see, y'all. This one open right here. I'm about to get up in here and wash this car. Let's get it, y'all. So I'm taking a risk, y'all. I'm a daredevil. Car running perfect, excellent. My ass is gonna power wash all this shit just because I don't like how it looks. It's all dusty and shit. I got the motor real warm. So, yeah, y'all wish me luck, man. Here we go.
Hey, luggage, wheels, and deals, sit up the Copart. Money in my pocket, let me see what I'ma cop. I'ma swerve in the lot, get a whip, fix it up. I'm a beast with a flip, yeah, the money don't stop. Sub and like and leave a comment for real. The video's coming, you just wait for the drop. Tell your friends they're gonna shed this hill. You can catch me snooping around in the lot. Hey, luggage, wheels, and deals.
I'm just riding and thinking, y'all. So I already sold those 4 cars I bought from Copart. I only got 2 left. I got the Cobalt and the Honda. This probably be sold pretty quick. I don't know. I'm gonna ask a little bit more than the other ones just because I kind of like this little car. You know what I mean? But the Honda probably gonna need the most work out of all the cars because I told them to do the windshield, front and back bumper, the headliner. So they put in work on that one. So they gonna get that one all the way ready for me. And we gonna get to it, man. That's the only one that's still in the shop. I'm gonna try to get some more cars this week from Copart and IAA. I'm buying them up, man. I plan on buying like 8 or 10 cars, man. I'm gonna try. You know what I mean? I get outbid it. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get it, man. The grind don't stop, man. Like, in all this madness, man, I gotta get it, man. That's all I can say. I gotta get it. So let's get it. I'll see y'all at the destination, man, where I like to take my pictures at. Got it all cleaned up, ready to go, ready to sell. This car cleaned up pretty nice, pretty good, y'all. I think I did pretty good for my Copart special, man. You know, you basic motherfuckers ain't gonna see these wreck cars as money. All y'all see is a wreck car. I got a vision. You gotta be a visionary to be involved with this Copart shit, man, because you can get really discouraged by seeing a car that's towed up and beat up. Oh man, no, that's this. Fuck all that. I got a vision for this shit. I got an eye for this shit, and I know how to make something look good. I know how to make something out of nothing, and I'll do it again. But yeah, y'all see it, man. Got them all cleaned up. Did not look nothing like this at the goddamn Copart. Hey, y'all know what I be, damn, that barbecue smell pretty good. Hey, y'all know what I be wishing? I wish there's a lot of motherfuckers that think basic like that, especially when they bid it on a car. Oh no, I'll be hoping that people get scared to be bidding on cars like this, or cars that been hit. Oh, that's too much money. Oh, I don't even want to pay this much. I be wishing y'all be bidding against me other than another hungry person like me, because all we gonna do is just keep bidding each other up and end up paying for more. If I get someone scared to bid on a car, all they're gonna do is back off of it. They don't want to bid too high. So, you know, I be wishing that more people think like that. I mean, it's not good to think like that at all, but if y'all going against me, I'll be wishing y'all, I'm gonna keep on winning. As long as people keep thinking like that, be like, oh, that car is beat up, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. I'm like, yeah, keep thinking that shit. I brought this motherfucker back. Y'all go watch the old video. I think that was probably what, 5 videos ago or whatever, when I bought 4 cars from Copart at the same time. And shit, I think they did a damn good job. Look, I don't gotta do a motherfucking thing. My mechanics take care of me. Feel me? All bullshit to the side. If y'all guys interested in this car, hit me up. Lucky Wheels and Deals on Instagram, IG, if y'all want to know prices for y'all nosy motherfuckers, man. And I don't get why people want to know how much money do I make on each car. Like, why y'all want some, not all y'all, but there's some people I be reading, like, goddamn, y'all working for the feds, y'all working for the tax people, or y'all working for the government? Why y'all want to know how much money I be making on my cars? Like, god damn, y'all some nosy motherfuckers. Hey, what I really be wanting to say, other than all that other bullshit I just said, I really want to be saying, when y'all be coming to me, asking me, how much did you pay for this car? You want to know how much I paid for this car? Help me. What are you gonna do? Help me pay for the motherfucker? Talking about shit. Y'all gotta be having me laughing. I be rolling, man. I be telling my friends, and my wife and my family members, these goddamn stories be so goddamn funny. Me and Unc be talking back and forth. I be like, shit, we be saying, what y'all gonna help us pay for the motherfuckers? I wanna know, how much did you pay for it? I paid $1,000. You gonna help me pay half of the motherfucker? You gonna help me pay? If I pay $5,000 for you, what, you gonna help me? You feel bad for me? What, I mean, what? What are you asking me? Why do you wanna know? That's the type of shit I be wanting to know, y'all. You feel me? But yeah, man, y'all see it, man. Let me do a little walk around it. One time, look like a car pulling up on us. They trying to get their little issue on. You feel me? I don't think they realized they was up on Lucky's Wheels and Deals one time. But yeah, guys, let me get this key out. Let me get this damn key out. Oh, no, you good, you good. See, y'all, they was trying to get their little freak on. Then they got caught. He had his shirt off. He was a little tenderoni. Shit. But youngsters. But man, so I'm gonna roll these windows down one time, man. Car started right up. Oh, I cleaned the motor off. So matter of fact, y'all seen me clean the motor off. What am I talking about? But let's see how clean it looks. Bam! Old Faithful, huh? Got the K&N air filter. That's the real deal. Add about an extra 50 horsepower or something like that. I don't know, don't quote me on that. But let's see, let me see how the exhaust sound though, man. Y'all remember how the exhaust sounded? It sounded like shit in that video. But look. Yeah. The only thing you don't hear is that supercharger. They wee wee. They did a goddamn good job, boy. That motherfucking flange was cracked, busted, not even on there. Y'all hear it? Y'all see it? I don't know what this is. This thing probably got melted or some shit. Well, yeah, man, I appreciate the whole Lucky Nation. Keep buying your merch. And yeah, man, I'm still rocking this, man. This is my second day rocking this shit, man. That's how far the grind don't stop, man. Got a pocket full of money, ain't buying no damn new clothes, no nothing. I'm wearing the same shit. I don't got money like that, man. What the fuck? And I gotta give this goddamn money away. Let's see, about 2 days. So yeah, by the time this video come out, I already gave out the goddamn money. So the grind don't stop. So speaking to my future self, I already gave y'all the money. So I hope all y'all happy. Till next time, man. Till the next giveaway. Y'all be ready, man. I'm gonna keep giving out shit. But I haven't gave out shit yet, but I'm speaking to my future self. Y'all know what I mean, man. By the time y'all see this video, I already gave out the damn $500. And I can't wait. I cannot wait to see who wins, man. Just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
About breaking down the dough, not to stole the key. Got a bitch to cool me down up in the booth, cause I might overheat. I can't believe it took millions of views for you to notice me. I can't believe